This is the Ventrac Sidewalk snow vehicle. The SSV is a dedicated machine for professional users doing snow and ice control on sidewalks. It's a machine that provides all of the tools necessary to do that task, no matter what the conditions are. Sidewalk snow removal is a very unique job, and the demands of that job require a piece of equipment that is perfectly crafted to handle those demands. The SSV is that piece of equipment. Let's talk about the actual design of the SSV. The SSV is a ride-on machine, and the general concept is to take as much power as possible and pack it into that very small, compact package. The SSV is built with a commercial-duty hydraulic drivetrain with 4 independent wheel motors and 4-wheel drive, a high-output 23 horsepower commercial engine, and it has the ability to run powered attachments. The entire machine and all of the attachments have options to be able to work down to 34 inches so that you can stay on those narrow sidewalks. This does a couple things. It allows the machine to be maneuverable in those ultra-tight areas like walkways and on small sidewalks, and it gives the operator the ability to do a lot of work without exhausting themselves or having a large team. This is a machine that allows one operator to be as effective as a giant team of people. We also go to great lengths to keep that operator comfortable. Those ergonomic features include a suspended platform, a soft operator pad, heated hand grips to keep their hands warm, and an optional windscreen to keep the elements off of them as well. We offer a full line of attachments and accessories to be able to outfit the power unit with everything you need for any job on sidewalk snow removal. We have salt accessories that range from pre-treatment to post-treatment, and that starts with a brine system, which gives the machine the ability to put down brine with a hand wand or with nozzles under the machine. And we also have a granular drop spreader that mounts in between the axles of the machine. Either one of those units have the ability to dial the application rate down to a pre-treat level or to be used during the storm with heavier application. Once you move past salt treatment, the attachments on the front of the machine offer the ability to handle any snowfall that happens. The broom is capable of clearing down to bare pavement for those very strict zero tolerance accounts, and it works anywhere from a light dusting up to a light snowfall of a few inches. In this application where you're clearing down to bare pavement and it's probably a zero tolerance account, it's important to also recognize that you can run the salt systems in conjunction with the broom. So whether it's the brine or the drop spreader, you can be clearing with the broom and at the very same time doing a single pass, be dropping salt or brine behind you to help do that whole system in one movement. When snowfall gets above what the broom can handle, we move on to all of the blade options that we have. We have 3 different blades available for the SSV. We have a narrow straight blade, a wide straight blade, and a V blade. All of the blade options are pretty simple. They are great at moving a lot of snow. The reason the blades can move this much snow is because of the Ventrac SSV pushing it. It's very heavy for its size, it's 4-wheel drive, and it has all of the pushing power of that strong commercial engine. Your biggest choice here is the width of blade that you want to run and whether you want to go straight or V. All of the blades have the option to run metal edges or poly edges. The poly edges on those blades give you the ability to protect delicate surfaces a little bit better, so if you're working on bricks or pavers, they're a great option. And the V blade is worth talking about by itself because it has a unique patented trip edge design which allows it to be a little bit more effective and carry more speed than alternative product that's out there in the market. Additionally, all of the blades are fully hydraulically controlled from the operator station, so it's very easy to make swift movements and control the direction of the snow, and the operator doesn't have to work at all to make this happen. Sometimes the storm comes on too hard and fast for the broom or the blades to keep up, and that's where you switch to the snowblower. The blower has the ability to work in up to several feet of snow, and it comes with the extra convenience of being able to move that snow exactly where you want it. It has a multi-directional adjustable chute that the operator can change from the operator station, which gives the snowblower the ability to put the snow exactly where the operator wants it. The last attachment we offer for the SSV is the snow bucket. And this is for those weird cases where you have to dig out of a scenario. Think about when a city plow truck or something like that plows in a set of mailboxes. Every other attachment is just not quite what you want to use for that. So you put the bucket on the machine and you go dig those areas out and just physically move that snow around. It's a very unique attachment for a machine this size, but it's one of those things that can really save you from shoveling out of really icy and hard conditions. These are true commercial duty attachments, so they can get a lot of work done. But they're also compact enough to retain that maneuverable nature of the whole package. It's also valuable knowing how quick you can change from one attachment to the next. As we know about winter storms, oftentimes the conditions change in an instant, and every one of our attachments can come on and off the machine in less than a minute. You also don't have to use any tools. So I can go from the broom to a snowblower if things get really bad, out in the field without any shop time, and I can do it in less than a minute. When it comes to snow and ice management on sidewalks, this machine is built for it. It's the culmination of many years of R&D and professional use, which bring us to the current trim of the SSV and all of the attachments and accessories available. Everything about the machine is tuned in to perfectly meet those professional users' demands, and it gives everyone that uses the machine the ability to be as efficient as possible at doing this job. At this point, the word is out. The Ventrac Sidewalk Snow Vehicle, or SSV, is the machine to have. We hear it from professional users in every segment of the market. They've come from hand tools, larger equipment, even smaller equipment from competitive brands, and they've all landed on the SSV. If you're serious about snow and ice removal on sidewalks, this is the machine that you want.